Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure the Samsung Calendar app is current and available. Once done, unlock the phone and go straight to the apps tray. Press and hold an empty area of the home screen to open edit mode, then tap widgets to jump into the widget picker. Scroll to Samsung Calendar and pick the size you want. This matters because the widget's layout and information density change with size. Don't hesitate to switch sizes now so the next steps match your chosen layout. You drag the chosen calendar widget to the home screen and position it where it's visible and handy. Once placed, if the widget supports resizing, adjust corner handles to change width and height so events show the right amount of detail. This controls how many days or events are visible. Make sure to tap an empty area to finish placement, then open the widget to confirm account and calendar visibility. If multiple calendars exist, select which ones display so clutter is avoided. You'll finalize by customizing the widget settings. Select which calendars to display, set the refresh interval, and choose event detail level so your home screen is useful at a glance. If the widget appears blank or outdated, make sure Samsung Calendar has calendar and background activity permissions, and that your account is synced in Settings Right Arrow Accounts. If updates still fail, remove and re-add the widget or restart the launcher. Rebooting the phone often clears lingering sync or UI cache problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.